This retrofit Yale Approach Wi-Fi smart lock mounts on the inside of your existing deadbolt, so you keep your original keys while gaining full smart control. Installation is genuinely straightforward, making it a practical upgrade for renters or first-time smart lock owners who only have a screwdriver and a few spare minutes. The included Bluetooth keypad gives reliable keyless entry and can be positioned away from the door, which is handy for tricky door frames or porch layouts. Using the Yale Access application and Wi-Fi bridge, you can lock, unlock, and manage custom entry codes remotely, so guests and family can come and go without physical keys. Automatic locking, optional auto unlock as you arrive, and activity tracking combine to provide strong, everyday security without adding extra steps to your routine. The battery-powered lock and weather-resistant keypad continue working through power outages and harsh temperatures, which adds confidence that you will not be locked out when conditions are bad.